Alright, so I have inside here, I've opened the source code and for Ninja ID, and yes, coincidentally I'm also using Ninja ID. So I want to show you a Qt widget code. Now Ninja ID is basically scripted with Qt widget, but like I said, they also use QML, so some part of it's written with QML. Now you can see Ninja ID, Qt quick code that basically draws this thing, and you can see how hard they struggle with it. You can see we can write the same code with QML, you can see, and as you can see, we're setting the window title, which is one of the most funniest jokes. In places you even have to set the S and Y for the app. I'm sure this just has to do with a simple sentence that in places you have to set the X and the Y. I can set the X and Y for QML, but I don't have to. But in most places in Qt QWidgets, you might set the X and Y, and you can see it goes on to, you know, do all kinds of things in it. Setting an HBox layout, and basically first set a ViewBox layout and then an HBox layout, which is one of the things that bothered me. We can just go ViewBox layout, we can do column layout, and for an HBox layout we can do row layout, and then go ahead and then do everything that they're basically doing. And so you can see how ugly this code looks. I didn't write everything, and basically, and then for just getting a simple thing out, the code itself look bad. I mean, I'm not saying Ninja ID code look bad, I'm saying Qt. And look how clean this code looks like. So this QML, and that of course this is QWidgets, Qt Widgets I should say. They also use QML. So you can see there's a code for the start page where they're employing the use of Qt quick widget inside a Qt widget. And widget is always less than the main thing, so instead of using Qt quick widget, we could have gone ahead to use Qt quick. But then because they're using QWidgets and not really QML, or they have to use Qt widgets, and so you can see that they are setting a Qt quick widget, and then they are making this finally setting it to QML, and the start page to QML. I don't want to show you that QML code. I think I have it. I can show it to you. Where is it? Oh, did I miss it? No, I didn't miss it. There, it's somewhere here. There the start page is, and you can see how clean it looks. It features a drag and drop, which is the only place for now that Ninja ID supports a drag and drop. Right, basically this is it. I'll show it to you. This is the start page that's mainly built with QML. It's the only place in Ninja ID where you can have a drag and drop. You can see how if Ninja ID had incorporated QML all over, they could have drag and drop all over. And so now when you drag and drop one thing, that's it, because then your start page is gone. So yes, Qt widget features QML, and there are other things that I was reading the Qt documentation the other day, and they said some things that you couldn't do with the Q main app that runs the Qt widgets, but then you could do with a Q GUI application that runs QML. So why do you want to do something that has shortcomings? And so that's all about it. Like I said, when you go QML, it gives you all the power you want. You can create everything that you want. But when you go Qt widgets, the only thing that we can do inside QML is to set this thing, the window icon, and that was not what was set when we were reading the code. It wasn't that was set. This was just a normal icon that they were going to give to their app. And so you can set that when you're in Python, which is what we're going to do that when we get there, and it's very easy, just one line. It's the only thing that we can do in QML for now. So yes, that's all about it. So if your company still uses it, Well, I admit that the Ninja ID still uses it, mainly because it's already built and they don't see anything wrong with the UI because they're incorporating QML. And most of the things that are already built, they don't want to use, they don't want to switch because, like I said, it's already built. But then it's easier to get new guys to jump on because if it's QML, you can see all the QML code that they have here, all the things that they're using QML for. They got it for patterns and for a lot of things. So if you're using QML, it's really blissful, and you know, you're gonna enjoy it. They have this guy really stubborn. This code bar, it's not built with QML. Really stubborn. Really stubborn when you're using it. So yeah. See you, like I said, QML itself, Qt itself is going QML. Everybody should go QML. Okay, so see you in the next tutorial. Bye.